Hello everybody, my name is Kanai Manika and welcome back to the unboxing, where today we're delving back into Spy Family for at least one more time, and we are taking a look at the final member of the Forger family for now, that being Bond Forger. He also includes a sitting Anya, which makes it feel like I probably didn't need to get the other Anya, but I did. Sorry. But yeah. Whatever. This is like a sort of two-pack sort of thing where you get a full Bond as well as a sitting Anya, which is also its own figure, basically. So it's a tad more expensive, but it's fine because it's a cute dog. Yeah. We've looked at, with the way the release schedules worked, this month we've looked at a bunch of these. So, you know, the general style, but this is in a larger box format, something closer to, like, say, Zorro from before, but it is in the Spy Family styling. So we've got the palish green, grayish look, as well as just a straight gray. We get a image of Bond and Anya. These are of the figures, but like with like an outline or whatever. We get a little bit of Bond right there. Bandai Namco, SH Figuarts, Bond Forger with Anya, SH Figuarts, Spy Family, and we get a window to look inside of the figures, which doesn't present them the greatest because of all the plastic coverings and whatnot, but it's whatever. Anyways, the top, this is Bond Forger with Anya. We see an image of Bond. Bottom, Bond Forger with Anya. We get the image Bond, stuff like that. On this side, we get Bond and Anya. On the other side, Bond Forger, we got Bond sitting there, and whatnot. On the back, we got all the promotional images, the two of them sitting ready for like TV time. Anya sitting right there on the couch, Bond sitting, Bond walking, and warnings as per usual. So without further ado, let's get this puppy open. There we go. But I always work for this sort of thing. So let's get that open. Instructions are there, showing you how to sit them down and how to swap out leg pegs. So let's get this puppy open. But yeah, here we are. Here's everything the set comes with. And yeah, let's pop this sucker open. Here we go. This is gonna be an interesting order. Because everything, for one, everything's covered in plastic. So I guess a lot of Anya's hands look very similar to the ones we got before. I don't exactly remember because this is being recorded a little bit later than the other ones because of the way pre-orders work, but I've scheduled them. We get these pointing fingers. Yeah, these are extremely tiny because they are Anya's. We get open hands. Once again, extremely tiny. We get a pair of those. It also looks like we get a pair of fists, and then on her is a pair of relaxed hands. Come on. The fists are having a hard time coming out themselves, so I guess I gotta poke from the back a little bit. There we go. So yeah, fists. They are small, they are tiny, but they are fists. Anyways, I guess we'll get Anya out now, because we went through her accessories. She comes sitting, because she is the sitting form of Anya. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, they sculpted her specifically so that she's sitting all the time, because the previous Anya has the sculpted skirting very much does limit the original's articulation. I believe this is practically the same figure. She doesn't come with any extra faces, she just comes with this big beaming smile, but yeah, it works. From what I can tell, for the most part, this is the same Anya as before, except the skirt is sculpted so she can like sit down. So we can. It's kind of awkward. You kind of gotta have her like that, and the weight still kind of makes sitting a little awkward. But yeah. There. Yeah, we'll get her on Bond here at the end. Yeah. Next up we'll get out Bond and his accessories. So, first off are Bond's alternate limb parts. These are sitting legs, so that Bond can sit down with Anya. Very nicely done, very cute. I wish it could kind of pose like that, but it's whatever. we freaking deal sometimes. Next up is some stand stuff for Bond. I imagine his tiny feet make him hard to properly stand up, so the figure comes with some basic stand parts, like a basic grundle, essentially. It's sculpted to fit his contours. It works fine. But now we're here for the main event, that being the dog. And yep, that's Bond. He's got foot articulation. Okay. This is interesting because SH Figuarts doesn't usually do themselves animals. Like, that's usually for SH Monster Arts to handle. Let me pop his neck back on. He does have an opening mouth. Okay, so in terms of articulation, hind legs are basically just forward, backward, and outward. They appear to be basically ball joints, yeah. However, they got like a side port where you can pull this off, I guess, easier. And then you go like that, and then you properly shape the shapes, I guess. And then, yeah, but for now, we'll leave him standing. His head is sculpted very well. Like, yeah, that's Bond from the original series. All right. Okay, yeah. Neck can swivel around pretty well. He does look nice and floofy. He smells a tad weird. He's got like butterfly joints, I think. The upper the front legs are way more articulated. They have foot articulation. The hind legs are just kind of hind legs. You can go like that, which I guess is kind of why the grundle's here, so he can do stuff like this. And the tail has a ball joint too. Okay. I'm just getting used to this because this is just very weird. Because, like, I'm not used to getting animals. Can he stand on his own? He can. He can. Fairly well. Actually, can we get Anya to sit on Bond? It shows instructions here. You kind of gotta showing it, just kind of plonking her on with, like, legs bowed out, sort of, I guess. So I guess like that. Yeah, she fits on pretty well. You kind of gotta balance her and not mess with her too much, but yeah, she does fit. She does sit on there very well. This is very much feels like an accessory set. Like, I'm getting this very much in the same way that I got the Ankh hand for my Kamen Rider O's figure. If you'll remember from way back when the unboxings weren't even called unboxings, in that first video where it's like, oh yeah, I'm just showing you that I got these figures in boxes. I don't even think I got them out of their boxes. I just kind of showed that I had the boxes. That was lame. I should have used that for content. Anyways, this is a shorter video because this is just honestly a bit weird to do because they don't have like a ton of articulation, which is a tad disappointing. I'm sure some will call this like a ripoff or whatever, but I don't mind. I feel like I like the character. Bond is very cute, and I enjoy this series, and I enjoy having like essentially an accessory. And I'm probably bowing out of collecting Spy Family from here. I might get School Anya because she has some nice expression parts, but I feel like this is where I tap out for now. Because I got the whole family right here, right there. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I have, at this point, uploaded the rest of the family's unboxings, which, if you want to check those out, those are all on the channel. They're, like, in a playlist, and they've been my past 4 uploads. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I might make a review of all 4 figures, and let you know my thoughts, I guess. Let me know if you want that by leaving a comment in the description below, or by, like, liking the video and whatnot. Give me that engagement so I know that this is something that I should be engaging with. But yeah, until the next video, I'll see you all later. Bye! Bye. Spy Family month complete.